So those people, they're human beings, there's nothing wrong with them, but they're just stuck in robot mode all the time. I'll give you a perfect example. I go to a place with my love and I, there's a place that we get these amazing wings down in Hollywood, okay? And it's called Shenanigans. They have these really, really good black cherry wing sauce. Now, usually, I get the black cherry wing sauce on the battered wings because it tastes a lot better. But once in a while, I figure, let me get the sauce, but I want grilled wings. So I go there, and I ask them, can I get the black cherry wings, but can you put them on the grilled wings? And the person at the register goes, well, it doesn't come that way. And I went, okay, I understand that, but I want you to do it anyway. Like, can you do it? And she says, no, I can't. I'm like, well, how do you make the wings? And she says, we deep fry the wings, and then we put the black cherry sauce on it. And I went, okay, so can you make the grilled wings and then put the black cherry sauce on it? And she immediately goes, no, it doesn't come that way. So then I realized, oh, I'm talking to a robot. So then I said, can I order the grilled wings and get the sauce on the side? And then can I put the sauce on it? She's like, absolutely. And then I went, oh boy. And that's the thing. See, in life, there's a lot of NPCs.